Yeah, man, we back out here on motherfucking Van Lear. You can't see it. I'm gonna get a big boy shot at it so you can see where I'm at on the block on the east side and shit. You see it? Van Lear. We out here, Van Lear. Out here every day, man. Drinking, smoking, turning up though. Feel me? See one of them geeks over there, man. I'm gonna shout out to him. You feel me? Hey, buddy. Yeah, man, we out here, man. Big shit happening every day, man. You feel me, though? Drinking, walking and talking. All that. We out here for real, man. Like I told you, bro, you on the block, you ain't making no money, beat it. Cause niggas out here will snatch your fucking head off your neck, man. What my nigga Jesus say? Knock your gravy out your biscuit. Niggas do that shit. Niggas not gravy out their biscuits every day out here in my city, man. We from Ohio, Dayton, Ohio, that is. That's my city. That's me. That's my state, Dayton State, nigga. Where young niggas turn up and bout their life every day, man. You'll see one of these geeks right here, go holler at them, see what they talking about, what their name is, and what they doing out here, man. Just some info on it, you feel me? How you doing, sweetheart? Huh?
I'm alright.
You alright?
I had a migraine all of a sudden. I was really bad.
You need some help or something?
I don't know what to do.
You need some medicine or something?
Why you videotaping me?
Nah, it don't work. You need some medicine?
Nah, go back up.
You need some transportation or somewhere?
I'm good, bro. Go take that shit out of my face.
Alright, B. Yeah, man. You feel me? We out here on the block, man. Every day, man. Doing this shit, literally. See somebody else and see what's up to them, though. You feel me? Feel good, man. Feel good being a hood star, man. You feel me? Doing this shit for real, though. You already know what it is, man. Hey, buddy. What's going on, man? I know that's right. He don't want to be on the camera, huh? Say no camera for me. We ain't shooting shit. Unless you ain't shooting a movie. Now we on Garfield, man. Walking down Garfield. See the sign? Garfield. Yeah, every day it's official. It's official. We out here on the east side. It's official, man. We out here rocking. Rocking like them Red Robins, though. You feel me? Hold on, though, nigga. I put on my rocks, though. You feel me? You feel me? Young niggas be wearing these all the time. You feel me? Young niggas wearing rocks nowadays. You feel me? That's the shit right now. You ain't wearing rocks, you ain't doing nothing. You ain't getting no money, man. You in the way. You ain't wearing no rocks and no trues. But nowadays, nigga, trues be burgers. So shit. Me take that back. Me scratch that. What I just said, cause niggas be rocking fake ass trues and don't even be wearing true shit. You feel me? No, I'm true all day. Wearing rock revivals with the rocks in my jeans, though, with the paper in my pocket. 10-toed down out here, bro. Yeah, man. Back to the walking, though. When you see me, give you a tour of my city, the east side, though. Get hit. See the big boy car and shit. Cars flying up and down the street. Like the boys don't be out here. See the sign say open? They ain't open, though. They be lying this shit. They ain't open, though. Yeah, man. See Casano's over there. See right up the street. Some more geeks out here. You gonna holler at them, too. Yeah, she was back there packed up like she was about to go do something, huh? Yeah, everybody know, man. She ain't about to do nothing. She ain't about to do nothing. Man, though. Put this shit on YouTube, get my USB cord, post this shit, get like 1,000 hits. If I don't get 1,000 hits, I'm getting 1,000 nicks, nigga. You feel me? If I don't get 1,000 hits, I'm getting 1,000 nicks, though. Nicks is my geeks, bitch. So learn that. If I don't get 1,000 hits, I'm getting 1,000 nicks every day. We turn it up in this bitch. I'm by myself, man. Real niggas do real things, man. Not me out here though. Hold on though, cause the boys right here. Yup. See people, old people over there on the benches and shit. It's their little spot they kick it at. Don't worry. Nothing like that going down. See the flashing lights over here and shit. Somebody done did something. Nah, that's a death. I'm about to cut somebody's shit off. Yep. We out here, man. Out here too real, bruh. Hey, y'all working, man. Y'all working hard, man.
Yep.
I appreciate y'all.
Come on.
I appreciate y'all doing y'all jobs. Yeah, man. We out here on East Side, East Dayton, man. Posting this on YouTube. Feeling real good right now, though. They're doing a good job. I give them a good round of applause. You feel me? Excuse me, though. Walking and shit. What up, buddy? See the bus in my city? There it go. See it now, you don't. Turn back around though. Yeah, I'm about to try to charge my motherfucking iPod at this burger ass fucking Family Dollar and shit. Y'all see it? See the sign and shit, Family Dollar. Try to see my iPod charge up right here. You feel me? See the police over there ducked off like they ain't on one. But they on one though. People in their car looking crazy and shit. But shit, man, shit is gonna be the same though. But alright though, I'm gonna hold you down for a second because I don't wanna get caught with the police. Feel me? Hell yeah, this dude over here walking right now, he took a big dumbass shit in the library that smelled like fucking straight pneumonia. It smelled like he fucking passed out. No lie. But we out here, man. We jumping out here, man. The boys and shit, everything. Fuck everything. We out here though. You feel me? See this car trying to make this turn. I'm letting go. Feel me? This car trying to make the turn. I'm letting go, man. You feel me? Cause real niggas do real shit, bro. Every day. Yup. Let me see this nice little, sexy little thing right here. Right here at the fucking Family Dollar, man. Just chilling. Hello, everybody. What up, man? We on World Star.
World Star?
World Star, man.
What's up?
That's what's up.
I did Slap Cam on World Star.
Slap Cam, he was smack, man.
We used to smack people over there. Well, Cam and then we used to smack people.
Did he go to sleep?
Yep.
He said, yup. Man, y'all be safe, man. Y'all have a good day.
You too.
Yup. Yeah, man, those some white cool people, man. Really cool guys, man. You see them on the east side with the beer open. You seen the police, and they ain't no faking with me, nigga. I'm too 100, I'm too real, I'm too thorough, you feel me? Let's get back to this movement, though, bruh. I'ma laugh my ass off when I get this trees in me, watch this little clip, be high as fuck. You feel me? All that, though. We gonna jump. Like the sun. Spitting on these fucks, nigga. Turn around, though. It's camera show. That's not the police ring, where's the body? Yeah, man. You don't see some of these people over here. Post this shit on World Star, man. We some World Star hip hop niggas, you feel me? Shit going down, bro. Yup. All day. See a nice dog, man. You got a nice dog over there, buddy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I got it down.
Walking this shit on the east. Trying to be the beast. Charge my fucking iPod up in my mama's building. Look at this right here. Hello. Don't make that face like that, sweetheart. You look cute.
Record me.
Don't make that face, little baby. Yeah, man, we just walking and shit is cooler. Having a cool full night. Feel me? See you people right here, say what up to the camera. Feel me? Hello. Say what up to the camera.
Oh, hey. Cheese
Hey.
it, baby.
Okay. Hey, look, you see that? That shit real shit, man. See, dude? What up, buddy? Yeah, man, real shit. Real east side dude. You ain't on here, cuz. Yeah, though, man. We out here rocking shit, man. Putting shit down the way it go. And that's the way it go. Real nigga shit, though. Got the bottle on my... Check the bottle out, though. Walk around with the bottle, though. Fooling on these east side cops, bruh. Fuck the boys. They can't do shit but touch this noise. Y'all smoke though. Bitch, you act like that though, huh? They don't keep it rocking though. Keep it moving, man. We gonna keep it moving. Checking everybody out in the city, you feel me? Niggas wearing rocks, niggas wearing trolls, niggas wearing robbing and all that shit in my city, man. Niggas, young niggas, man. Young niggas by my age though, who get it though. You feel me? You ain't with it, bro. You will never be with this shit, bro. You feel me? It's a nice ass Charger though. Let me zoom it out for one time. The big boy nice ass Charger though. See him, check him out. Bang bang. You feel me? I zoom back in for the plug. We rocking. You feel me? Fuck around have a car show this summer, man. I mean this winter though. Excuse my language, bro. I'm kinda tipsy right now. Nigga got off the 2 shots of Goose. 2 of these. This is the 3rd one, so you know I'm feeling pretty really goddamn good. So shit. This is how we do it. In my city. See the boys all the way up there. You see the lights. They got somebody badge. Hopefully they ain't go down. Let's see her. Hey, cutie pie.
Are you serious, dude?
Yeah, baby. Yeah, we on camera, man. Fooling though. I'm about to record this shit back. It's 13:16 right now, man. 13 minutes, 16 seconds has been recording. And I've been seeing everybody though. That I want to be on camera. Shouldn't be in the streets, bitch. You feel me though? People over here walking through the grass and shit like they want some dope. Want some dope? Nope. See that shit? See this building? That ain't shit with some ran down ass white boy shit. See, we at Christie's box, band box. Can't read the sign though. We finna go in here on the low. And see what's up. See Christie's? Y'all see that people out there? Y'all see it? We out here, man. We out here though. I'm about to see this motherfucker open. Get a shot of something. Smoke shots! See this shit, no sagging, no soliciting. Gotta sneak in here at the camera. I gotta pee too though, so check it out.
I got you.
Thank you, man. Yep. See this one, bar restaurant, dog. Shit with the real disgusting in here. We had to do a little intervention. Nigga had to pee. Hold on though, fellas. We back, man. You feel me? Back again. Some young nigga, man. Young Tay, all day, G Game, 27. Shout out to you. Let's go. Shout out Absolute, man.
No, it was just a department store like Kmart. And it was all
bottles. Shout out Absolute, man. You know, I'm gonna take it to the next. Kill this shit. Watch me.
Right, I guess.
Hey, she said it was a guy on a guy thing. Is that what it was? A guy?
Getting back to the money though, man. Took a shot. No ID. None of that shit, man. Real shit. Another geek of mine. Try to finesse him though. See what's going on. Check him out. Hey, Bob. Somebody up here at the bus stop about to check him out. See what's going on. You feel me? Nigga had that shot of Absolute. Was feeling cool now. Now I need some Reggie, some reefer. Feel me? I'm up here on Irwin. Check the sign out. You can see it, people out there. Irwin, all day and all night. We won't never change. Of course not, right? I might fuck around and put out this roll on y'all later on tonight, man. If I start feeling myself too much, man. Start feeling myself. Pull out this big roll on y'all motherfuckers out here. See this lady right here, see what's up with her. Yeah, you seen her. Look like a straight butter fiend. It's another bar. Ain't no blacks in there, so we not going in there. You feel me? It's been recording for what now? 19 minutes and 38 seconds. Yeah, man. What's up, buddy? See this right here? More for, what did it say? More food for less. Food for less. Ha! The fuck type of shit is that, right? Who the fuck named they stole food for less? Bitch, it's food for more now. See everybody in here in the store, shopping and shit. See the lady right here, hey, hey. Everybody wave to the camera. Bad bitches in here, man. Say hey, hey. Yeah, man, we doing this shit, man. You feel me? I'ma laugh my ass off when this shit get done, bruh. Nigga got that roll though. Let me get to a cut so I can show y'all this little roll I got for 2 minutes. 2 minutes after getting put on with the pack. Nigga got the little roll though. Nigga got a little roll though, you feel me? Feel me? He got the little roll on him though. Little fake little burger though, nothing major though. Nigga got that fake little cheese on him. That ain't nothing crazy though. You gonna go over here though. Keep it rocking though. You gonna rock all night, man. Fucking with me, you gonna rock all night, man. You feel me? But let's take a little break. Sir! Yeah, you like that though. Who on the porch over there, man? Nobody? That's how we rocking though. Dayton, Ohio. We rocking like this, man. Real savage shit, dude. It smell like a skunk over here. It might be the loud or it might be a skunk. Who knows? Whatever it is, this stink. And it's extra loud. Nigga took that shot of goose. Or absolute for the 100 now. All I need is a blunt to put me in. You feel me? We don't give. Excuse me. We gonna get there eventually. To the spot where niggas running up them checks. Niggas counting that bread in. Niggas getting that bread in. You feel me? We do this shit though. Jumping out the gym, bruh. We about to be up here at the store though. The little corner store, little block store. You feel me? Where hood niggas go. You feel me? Excuse me though, camera. So you see the cricket store over here? These pussies don't know nothing though. We almost at my mama's too. Let's be still for a second, camera. See the cricket store? The man over there trying to get some shit off the ground, looking around and shit. Bum! That's what we say, bum. Call him out when you see him, you feel me? I don't want a bump. Don't touch me, bitch. Let's go though, man. Some little hoes over there. You see them, cameraman? Some little hoes over there walking around. Nigga would say what up to them, but they ain't fighting about shit. So we ain't gonna waste our time on that. You feel me? Just having fun, turn it up, man. That's all it is, bro. You better let me go. Fuck around, go to the store over here right now, man, and see what's going on, bruh. Going to the store, third store over here. Yeah, man, wait for me, bitch. Going to the store though, man. East Third Store, see that? East Third Store, grocery. They ain't got no groceries in here though, so they isn't in purple. Some bullshit. Keep it low key though, so you already know. Hey, baby. We in the fucking store, man. We in here this bitch jumping. Out the fucking meter though. You feel me? Nigga about to get a brew. Ain't none of that shit here, man. Nigga might get the pack. You feel me? And all that though. Check him out though. Let's see here. What do we want? None of that fuck shit. How much is y'all can of Bud Ice? 129 plus tax. Got you. You know that's how real niggas fuck with the ice though. Walker was tripping when he said, "Who drink Bud Ice?" Fuck Walker. He don't know what he talking about. Back to the beer though. You feel me? Niggas is on that shit. Can't find it though. But we gonna look for it. We gonna get it here. See this can of Bud Ice? I mean this 40 Bud Ice. $2, $3. We gon' cop it. We not shy. Cop it though. 1,800 bottles and everything. See the 1,800 over here. Hey, how much is y'all 1,800? Y'all 1,800.
109, man.
109?
Yes, sir.
$1.09?
109 cents plus tax. 117.
I'm alright on that.
What you doing, man?
Hit my YouTube.
Are you recording something here?
Huh?
Are you recording something?
No. Magnifying glass. So I can see. I'm blind. Don't get mad, buddy. What is it, sir? How much is it? 320. 320. Cover Black and Mild too, buddy. I appreciate it, sir.
My God. Makes sense. Good job.
We up out this bitch. Just left the hood store. Migo tryna ride me. I said, hell no. Fuck nigga. Never try to lay me down. Young Take, aka Roddy Ground. It's my ground. So niggas better be aware. Fuck nigga. Put your hoes in your care. We don't know, man. We just rockin', man. Fuck shit. You feel me? Young nigga freestyle though, man. Niggas freestyle all the time, right? But I do it the best. You feel me though, bro? We gonna do it though. I'ma cut you off for a second so I can peep it out. Round 2 on the way. Stay tuned.